So for number 5, so let's answer number 5. Y is equals to e raised to the power of x times e raised to the power ln of x. So find dy over dx. So take note that y is equals to e raised to the power of x. So take note that e raised to the power of ln is just equals to 1. So take note of that one. So this e raised to the power of ln, so we'll have e raised to the ln then x, so this will be cancelled, so we have y is equals to e raised to the x times x, so we get its first derivative. So take note that e raised derivative, so we have d over dx of e raised to the x is just equals to e raised to the x du over dx. So e raised of u is equals to eu du over dx. So take note of that one. So we have e raised of x, derivative of x is just equals to 1 plus x raised of derivative of e raised of x is equals to e raised of x. So derivative of u, so derivative of x is just equals to 1. So let's simplify this answer. So we have y prime is equals to e raised of x plus x raised of e raised of x. So we'll factor out e raised of x. So we have e raised of x times x plus 1. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. E raised of x times 1 plus x, so it is also 1 plus x, so we will it is just interchange, so we'll just, but it is just equal, so we will interchange so that we are in the standard form. So 1 plus x, so this will be now our final answer. So let's review. Let's review again. So y prime is equals to e raised to x times 1 plus x. So y prime is equals to e raised to x times 1 plus x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.